A warm welcome. My name is Sandra Roth, Director of Sales and Marketing of a cluster of 5 hotels in Munich. And today I wish you a warm welcome to the Sheraton Westpark Hotel. Next to me is my colleague Diane, MICE Account Director, and together we would love to show you our hotel, what we have implemented in terms of hygienic measurements and everything else that we have to offer.
Distance markers and queue barriers have been implemented at check-in to ensure distancing. All of our front office colleagues are working from behind plexiglass. Maximum capacity in the lifts has been limited to 2 guests, and directional arrows as well as flow dividers have been marked in public staircases. So here we are in room Munich. We have 2 of these rooms at the Sheraton Westpark Hotel, both of them full of natural daylight. We have windows all along, so it's very bright. We can open all the windows for good air circulation. And here is an example of meetings with distance setup. We can fit a maximum of 25 guests in this particular space. This is an example coffee break offering a selection of individually packaged items. And here is a view of our meeting terrace, exclusively available to our meeting organizers and delegates. So, at the Sheraton Westpark, with the 8 meeting spaces and 251 bedrooms, as well as the beautiful outside terrace that can be used for coffee breaks, for your seminars or for your meetings, it's really the perfect business property. But it also offers a lot of different opportunities for family stays as well.
I'm now standing in one of our beautiful designed family rooms with a pull-out sofa and a large king-size bed. It has everything to offer for families traveling to Munich.
Collateral has been removed from the bedrooms, and all key information flyers and high-touch items are disinfected after each departure. There is a grab-and-go station located in the lobby for your quick snacks and beverages, whether you're on your way back to your room or headed out to discover the beautiful Munich sights. With the S-Bahn and U-Bahn just outside the hotel, the local sites are close by, including Marienplatz and the Rathaus, BMW World, the impressive Nymphenburg Palace and its beautiful gardens, Olympic Park, various museums, and the beloved Isar River.
Right now I'm at the beautiful Westend Factory, the restaurant of the Sheraton Westpark Hotel. As you can see, it has a very industrial look and feel to it. And the reason behind this is the history of the district the hotel is located in. Lyme is actually much older than the city of Munich, and originally you could only see farmland. However, once it was incorporated into Munich in the early 1900s, it quickly transformed into an industrial land. And this is what you can see reflected in our design. And the food that we offer is exclusively located locally, also going back to the farmland history of this area. We're now at the Westend Factory, and Frederick, the head chef, just prepared this fantastic and delicious family sharing dinner for us, using only locally produced meat and vegetables, and also the wine is locally sourced.